Welcome back. India is a Hindu country and I am Christian Hindu. This statement comes from Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza in support of Minister Dhavlikar's take of Hindu nation. Opposition MLAs and Vijay Desai staged a walkout as the Speaker deferred their demands seeking clarification from Corporation Minister Dhavlikar over his statement of Hindu nation.
काल राती हांवें पळयलें ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरांनी ओथ घेतलेलो आसता की संविधानाचें आपूण संरक्षण करता तेच्या वाटेन वयता आमचें प्रिएम्बल टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सांगता दिस इज अ सेक्युलर डेमोक्रेटीक रिपब्लीक सोशलिस्टीक डेमोक्रेटीक रिपब्लीक क्लॅरिफाय करचें हांगा कितें जालें तें
प्रश्नकाल सोंपतकच हांव ताजेर कितें सांगपाचें तें सांगता. Alex Reginald, behave yourself. When you are in house, behave yourself.
Because
you can go out. You will go out.
Every minister takes the oath that he will abide by the constitution, protect the constitution of India. He has to clarify. He should have clarified in the house, for which we protest. He has to take back those words.
So this type of attitude we are not going to tolerate. Goans are not going to tolerate it, and we are going to fight it tooth and nail.
People of Goa and the people of India are well aware that Achhe Din has not come, that it is Bure Din now. So to divert the attention of the people from Goa as well as from India, the BJP and its allies are following a method behind the madness. There is madness happening in Goa. Every now and then a minister is making irresponsible comments. We demand resignation not only of the minister, also of the chief minister for allowing all this.
Because that plan in 1961 could not be successful. So now, looking at the brute majority, they are trying to superimpose their ideology on all the Goans, in fact.
it's always a Hindu nation and it will always stay a Hindu nation. You don't have to create a Hindu nation. India is a Hindu country. It is Hindustan. All Indians in Hindustan are Hindus, including I'm a Christian Hindu. I'm a Hindustani. So you don't have to make it a Hindu nation. It is a Hindu nation. So there's no question of making it a Hindu nation.
तो हिंदुस्तान कहने का उनका मतलब नॉमेनक्लेचर वो हिंदू कम्युनिटी हिंदू ऐसा नहीं था उनका इंटेंशन नहीं हिंदू राष्ट्र बोला तो रॉन्ग ही रहेगा क्योंकि हमारा तो कंट्री सेक्युलर है इनफॅक्ट दॅट स्टेटमेंट शुड नॉट कम
अभिनंदनाचो ठराव येयलो हांव उलयल्लो तेन्ना सगळे थंय आमदार हजर आशिल्ले ऑपोजिशनूय हजर आशिल्ले तेन्ना तांणी म्हाका ऑब्जेक्शन हाडूं ना हेचो अर्थ वेगळोच जाता कालूच तर तें ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलां कालूच क्लॅरिफिकेशन जालां त्याच्या नंतर बिझनेस जालो आमचो ते विसरले तांणी तें आयकूना अशें जालें किंवा ते तर खुर्चेन न्हिजिल्लेशें जालें तांणी तें आयकुपाक जाय आशिल्लें आनी तेन्नाच ऑब्जेक्शन हाडूंक जाय आशिल्लें कोण तरी सांगता म्हणून ते आयल्या वॉकआउट करपाक दीस इज नॉट फेर म्हजो जो हिंदू जें म्हणलां हांवें राष्ट्र त्याचो मिनींग खूब ब्रॉड आसा नॅरो ना हांवें खंयच्याच रिलिजनाचेर टिका करूं ना आनी रिलिजना लागून हांवें म्हणूं ना एच स्टँड फॉर ह्युमॅनिटी आय स्टँड फॉर इंटेग्रिटी डी स्टँड फॉर डेमोक्रेसी युनिटी दे शुड हॅव टेक दीस
अच्छे दिन गए और बुरे दिन आए. Congress supporters shouted slogans at their morcha in Margao on Friday. Party workers slammed BJP for price rise and charged government of cheating people on various issues. GPCC President John Fernandez says party has postponed their morcha on assembly to August. Committee members have demanded subsidized vegetable prices.
The Chief Minister is so scared of dissent and opposition voice, he has imposed Section 144 in Panjim to deter us from holding the dharna. Therefore, we have postponed the dharna for later part of August, where we are going to give 27-point charge sheets against the government of Goa to the governor. And what he has promised that he would do within 30 days, 100 days has not been done for 2.5 years. and people of Goa knows it. हो BJP सरकार हो ट्रेडरांचो सरकार, कॉर्पोरेटांचो सरकार. हे कितें करतले आमकां 4 वर्सां काबार करतले, 5व्या वर्साक मागीर कंट्रोल करतले. आजचे दिन आने वाले है म्हणटा ते पूरा दिन आ गया. आजचे दिन जो काँग्रेस करता वो वापस गया.
या भाजपान चिंतूंक जाय की आनी 2 दिसान श्रावण स्टार्ट जाता. हिंदू लोकांचे भयणीचो श्रावण स्टार्ट जाता आणि श्रावणात फक्त ते भाजयेचेर रावतात आणि जेन्ना इतली म्हारगाय करून तूं समज लोकांच्या पोटार आयला म्हणून आमी आयज सांगला की मातशे दर फाटी घेयात कित्याक आजचे दिन तुम्हारे लिए बुरे दिन हम सामान्य लोगों के लिए.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.